This video covers key topic number 2 in our workshop, protecting your assets in case you have to go into a nursing home. Again, I recommend watching these topics in order. So let's get started with key number 2, knowing your predators. The second key to saving your assets and creating an estate plan is knowing your predators. Now, your predators can be certainly the cost of a nursing home or care costs at home, family members, and lawsuits. Nursing home and the cost of care is one of the biggest problems that many older people face. It costs approximately $6,000 to $8,000 per month to be in a nursing home in the Louisville area. Now, you can try to minimize that by having other types of care, such as home health care, independent living, or assisted living, but often the cost for those can be substantial as well. Many times, family members can be a predator for your stuff. For example, these days, a lot of times with second marriages and step parents, you have a blended family where you have his kids and her kids. And in the case of remarriage, those are issues that need to be addressed. So many times I get a call from somebody saying that their father got remarried and he left everything to his new wife. And the plan was that she was supposed to leave everything equally to all of their children, but then when their dad died, she didn't do that. She may have even gotten remarried herself and left everything to her new spouse. So in the case of remarriage and second families, that's often an issue that people need to be aware of and address. There can also be the issues of family irresponsibility. There may be somebody in the family who's not very good with money, or possibly facing bankruptcy. And always can be a concern if anybody in the family has any type of addiction. And finally, with regard to lawsuits, they can be both business and personal, or regarding your home or your property, such as if somebody comes onto your property and slips and falls. And there's always the threat of any type of a lawsuit if you're ever in an auto accident. These types of lawsuits can threaten you now and even your beneficiaries after your death.